Have you ever truly pondered why you're perpetually in agony? Why that relentless backache, that cursed stiffness just refuses to desert you? Now hold that thought, because guess what? You aren't the only one. There is an army, an epidemic of people bearing this burden of torment every single day. And their enemy? Their very lifestyle. Hours spent in sedentary silence, an arched back slaving away for long, or simply crumbling under the weight of unrelenting stress. But wait, even in this despair, there's a spark of redemption. The right exercises, the movements, they can be your salvation, your weapon to fight back and reclaim your peace. Just picture it, the power to stretch away this punishing pain, the freedom to move unafraid of the next assault of agony. Intriguing, isn't it? Remain with us as we unveil, as we passionately reveal the secrets of genuine exercises that can yield your long-awaited relief. Why should you care about back stretching exercises? Well, let's dive right in. Back stretching exercises are your secret weapon against stiffness and discomfort. They work by improving your flexibility and relieving tension, making your body feel more limber and relaxed. But here's the real kicker. These exercises can help reduce back pain, turning daily discomfort into a thing of the past. If you make these exercises part of your routine, you'll be saying goodbye to back pain in no time. So are you ready to kick back pain to the curb? Our first exercise is the cat-cow pose, a simple yet effective yoga pose. This pose begins with you on all fours. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Picture yourself as a tabletop, with your back flat and your body balanced. Now let's dive into the cat part of the pose. Inhale as you round your spine towards the ceiling, keeping your knees and hands steady. Imagine a string pulling your back up to the sky. Then transition into the cow pose. As you exhale, sink your belly towards the floor and lift your head and chest, gazing upwards. Visualize your body making a U shape. Repeat this flow for a few cycles. This rhythmic movement improves spine flexibility and releases tension in your back muscles. It's not about speed, but the fluidity of your movements. Feel the stretch and the release with each transition. Remember, the key is in the slow, controlled movement. Moving on to the next exercise, the child's pose, a favorite among yoga practitioners. This pose is a gentle stretch that targets your lower back, hips, thighs, and ankles, while also soothing the mind. Let's get into it. Begin by kneeling on your mat with your knees hip-width apart. Slowly lean forward, extending your arms in front of you and resting your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply, letting your torso settle over your thighs. Feel the stretch in your lower back and hips. Maintain this position for a few breaths, focusing on relaxing your body with each exhale. Now, keeping your arms extended, gently walk your hands over to the right until you feel a stretch down your left side. Hold this for a few breaths before returning to the center and repeating on the other side. Remember to keep your breath steady and your movements slow and controlled. This pose is all about release and relaxation. Feel the tension melt away as you sink deeper into this pose. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can make a world of difference to your back health. By regularly practicing these gentle stretches and yoga poses, you're taking a proactive approach to your well-being. You're not just relieving tension and promoting flexibility, but also fostering a deep sense of connection with your body. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about how far you can stretch or how perfect your pose is. It's about showing up for yourself day after day and committing to your health. Gradually, you'll notice the benefits unfold, from a more flexible back to a more relaxed state of mind. However, it's crucial to remember that each body is unique. What works wonders for one may not be suitable for another. So, before you dive into this new routine, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to a healthier, happier you.